Hello and welcome to Call Me Flav. I'm absolutely thrilled you decided to visit my channel. This marks the official launch of my YouTube channel, a project that I have poured a lot of energy into. It feels fantastic to finally be sharing this space with you. Get ready for a constant stream of engaging and entertaining videos. I plan to cover a wide range of topics that I think you really enjoy. Think of this channel as a go-to spot for your fresh perspectives and maybe a good laugh or two. My aim is to create content that will spark conversations and provide genuine value. I've got so many exciting ideas brewing. You can expect regular uploads designed to keep you entertained and informed. I am eager to build a community here, a place where we can all connect and share our passions. Your presence here means a lot to me as I start this journey. Thank you for taking the time to explore Call Me Flav. It's wonderful to have you on board from the very beginning. Without further ado, let's dive into and make some great content together.